Good morning, Broker Jeff, and happy soupy Thursday. That's what's been going on all week. And so therefore, right now, it is cloudy. About 5 minutes ago, it was sunny, and that seems to be what our trend is today. Lots of clouds, periodic sun, 15% chance of rain, a high of 80 and a low of 62, and that's what's going on Thursday. As we move on to Friday's weather, sun and clouds, sun and clouds, sun and clouds, a high of 82 and a low of 66. Brittany, what do you have in your backyard? More soup? What's going on? Brittany?
Good morning, Agent Brittany here. This weekend, Saturday, we have a high of about 80, low of 65, partly cloudy. Sunday, we're not getting away without having any of these thunderstorms. Sunday, it's going to be a high of 78, low of 68, and possible thunderstorms throughout the day. Stay dry and have a wonderful weekend.